How to set up Zendesk Live Chat. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create real-time customer support on Zendesk. First of all, open up the web browser. Here search Zendesk. Then tap to open its site. Once you get into Zendesk, click to start your free trial. To start your work, continue with your work email and tap on Next. Then you can enter your first name, last name, phone number, name of the company you work for, and keep tapping Next. After that, choose the number of employees you have. Then select a language and keep tapping on Next. After that, create a password. Click on Complete Trial Signup. Then verify your email to complete the process. Now open up a new tab and search here field 9854.zendesk.c. Enter your email and password to sign in to the field. Before getting into your account, you need to answer some of the questions. Select No, I'm new to this on Have you ever set up a customer support solution? Then select the chat option in How many people reach you. After that, select Business, B2B, and who you help. From how many agents will use Zendesk, choose the option of 1 to 3. And lastly, when do you plan to launch? Select the as soon as possible option. Now tap to continue. You've successfully set up your Zendesk account. Click on the Chat Now button from the top right corner to start a chat. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.